Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Laura and today we are gonna make a very beautiful ear cuff. I found this one on the internet and I felt in love, so I decided to make one for myself. This time I'm using brass wire and these shapes for the nail decoration. It's very cheap and of course so easy to make. First of all, cut yourself 15 centimeters of wire and make a tiny loop at the end. Now measure 2 centimeters from the loop and bend the wire in a 90-degree angle. For now, this is easy peasy. Now use something cylindrical to make a smooth curve next to the loop. It should be more or less like this, like a little smile. Now measure 3 centimeters from that point at the end and use your round nose pliers to make another loop. As you can see here, I'm using the thicker part of the pliers. You should have something similar to this. And now you have to wrap it around that little smile we had and right next to the corner. Cut the excessive wire and flat the end very well, just hide it to avoid the scratches. As you can see, I lost this smile shape, so I'm just fixing it. So if you find the same problem, just bend it a little bit with your fingers. And now use a hammer to flat all this area. I'm doing this out of camera because it's easier for me. And as you can see, this is at first and after hammering. Now measure 1 centimeter from that end we have, that little angle at the end, and use your round nose pliers to make a hook. Just bend it little by little with no rushing, because this is a little bit tricky. You need to be comparing your ear with this hook and trying, just finding the perfect shape for your ear, because, well, my ears are not your ears and probably they measure different. So just try and fix it and try again and fix it again until you get the perfect hook. Probably to adjust this hook to your ear is the most difficult step, but just be patient. I had to try at least for 5 minutes, but after all, I got it. And these things is what I was saying that some people use to decorate the nails. I'm using the stars because I love them, but you can use whatever you want, like hearts or suns or whatever you want. And of course, try to find a very good glue. So what you're going to do is just to apply a little portion of glue and then put your shape, your star, your heart, your sun, whatever you have. There's so many shapes and so many designs you can use. So all you have to do is just to cover all the smile. As you can see, I'm starting from the loop, but after all this, all my mess, let's say that, I recommend you to start from that corner on the left. For example, I had a little space between the corner and the first star, and it's so ugly, so this is my recommendation, but of course do whatever you want. This is how it should look. Remember to let it dry very well, at least 24 hours. And well, this is it. I made 2 different earrings. This the one I showed you on the video and another one with more stars. And as you can see in the longest, I had to cut that loop because I didn't have enough stars. That's why I was telling you to start from the corner, just in case you have to cut any excessive wire like me. And this is it. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then, remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very happy!